Hi, I'm Mark Grice. Today I'll be showing you how to make the JM series impulse and deadman operation by using the onboard dipswitches. So for impulse deadman operation, you'll see there's two little dipswitches on the board. So when the two dipswitches are currently on, that's set for deadman both directions. So if you wanted impulse open, you simply turn dipswitch 1 off. You then have to remove the mains power and power back on for it to recognise. If you want the same for the down, which is very rare because you should always have deadman down, you just repeat the process. Dipswitch 2 down, remove the mains power and power back on. So I hope you found this video useful on the JM series motors. You can find more videos on our YouTube channel.